Hi, Ash. Nice to meet you. Thank you for joining us today to speak a little bit about your experience with GovHack. Ash won the Adult Spirit Award last year. Now, Ash, what made you decide to join GovHack in the first place?
It's been on my list of to do things for a while, and every year that I wanted to attend for some reason that weekend wasn't available. So this time I made sure that I put my effort in and block out that weekend. And I think the main reason for joining was to um extend the knowledge that I have, but also to gain knowledge from the participants.
Mhm.
It's not always that you get an opportunity to look at the real data from organizations to actually have a bit of a play with that data and see what sort of insights that you'll find from those data.
Mhm.
So I think that was something that was quite